chicken processing day. Ready or not, here we come. We've been watching all the YouTubes, doing all the research, so I feel like we're prepared, but once we get going, we'll have a better idea. I'll show you the setup we got going on. We'll show you the process, and yeah, it's gonna be a learning experience. It's our first time doing this, so if you're like a veteran, give us some grace. I think we have everything we need. I just went to the hardware store and filled up on propane and got a bunch of ice. The guy filling up my propane was like, "Oh, you guys having a big barbecue this weekend?" I was like, kind of. I mean, we're processing meat birds, so kind of. I don't know if I scared him or not, but yeah, we have 17 chickens to do. Started with 20, we lost 2 right away. And then last week, we just had a random dead one. When we were moving the tractor last, there was one that kind of got rolled. So we don't know if it was that one or not, like if it had internal damage. So yeah, we've got 17. Hopefully it all goes well, and then maybe we can get our next batch. But yeah, I'm excited. I'm like immediately putting a chicken on the smoker so that we can have fresh chicken, because I've never had it personally. I don't think, at least. But I've heard like the taste difference is just so. Gonna run up to the house, get a couple more things. We're gonna bleach everything down, make sure everything's nice and clean, and then we're gonna pull the trigger and start processing. Your bucket's not catching it all.
Maybe I should have put the big cone up, but I did grab one of the bigger ones.
Oh, that'll be alright.
Oh, one.
Is it?
170. Do one before we get real crazy.
I said poor thing. I said they're piglets. How much do you think they weigh?
That was really loses feathers on the tummy.
I feel like they don't ever like get a full like.
Don't they?
No, because they just grow so fast. It's just like
No.
flies.
Boy, that one's hitting the bucket.
I think the wind was getting the other one.
Bleeding blood everywhere.
One,
Jack, stay back.
2,
Back. Back.
3. Come here, Jack. Thank you.
It being a little warmer.
Oh, and with the getting the skin off of the. Those gloves work?
I haven't burned myself yet.
Is it warm?
Jackson Merlin, back up.
I gotta be next to mommy though.
Done. One of them came off.
I'm getting.
If we weren't almost done, I would go. I got
Dad, let's go get more chicken. Can I do it? I want to do one.
my both legs. That way you don't drop it. Look at you, Sophia. Yeah, we gotta go catch it. Stay back.
I want that one.
You can get the next one, Jack.
Can I do this one?
Hold on, Jack. Yeah. Wrong idea.
Can I get new gloves?
Just.
It's like
When do
like straw.
we have to put this chicken in a clover?
When I get done cutting this one.
I will do it. No, I am.
No, I am.
I am.
Kind of smaller compared to the other ones.
How about whoever touches it gets.
Oh.
Okay, you back out. Now I will. Whoever touches that one.
Yeah, we don't even know sheep gloves. Maggie's still laying underneath it.
Go get Jack.
Daddy had it. This is that one. Daddy,
Thanks, Jack.
Yeah.
I can get it.
Huh?
I can get it.
You can get money?
I can get it from your truck.
Oh, I don't know if I have money in my truck.
I'll go see.
I think that one fell.
This one?
Yeah.
What's up with all these feathers, man?
Trying not to boil the skin off. Trying to make jobs for you, Mother.
There's some backies in the picture.
She's gonna have fun editing this stuff.
It'll be like when Joey takes videos.
You should go see what your grandchildren are doing. I have a feeling one of them's crawling in the coop, chasing into the other one. Make some good footage.
Then I miss out on this.
We got more.
Yeah, but what if them goes that way?
Well, keep going.
I got poop on.
No, that's okay, honey.
I don't have to get more.
Yep, like that. He's heavy.
Grab this one too, Joe.
Okay, now just wait on
That's
the
like a lot.
wait on another one, honey. Remembers her birding days.
Yeah, these are so cool. Like they just feel cool.
It's like it's the esophagus.
You wanna touch it? Trick you? I don't know.
Dad, did you cut the heart out?
They're just like,
No.
Spongy, yeah.
yeah, but they're like hard.
Yeah, that's the cartilage in your tree.
Almost lost my finger.
That wouldn't be good.
I went to cut the knuckle. They don't fit. Like I cannot physically get them on.
Can I put these? Where can I put these?
Ask your mother.
No, where can I put these?
Yeah, I wasn't expecting it to. I didn't like snap the joint.
Yeah.
I just lined up right with
You
it.
can put those two in the cooler.
And this one?
Get it out in one full swoop.
Throw that in Mom's bucket.
Hold it up then so we can see it.
Mom, I had to throw something in the bucket.
That's okay. I forgive you.
Because Dad told me to.
Oh, okay.
Where's the heart? Did you get the heart out yet?
Sure did. It's hiding. Heart is right here. See it?
I want to keep the heart.
Yeah, keep it. We can dig one out later. Let's see all the intestines. And then, what do we say? These are liver.
Is that the guts?
That's the gizzard. They're free range. It'd be full of rocks.
Full of
Feed.
Is this one?
and grass. Since these are pasteurized. This is just cool.
Intestines, yeah.
Whoa,
That's really pretty.
that looks cool.
Mm-hmm.
Really cool.
Create some artwork with me. So knowledgeable in my chicken organs. I don't know what these two little things are. I can figure it out.
I can see.
Those green ones are.
Yes.
I cannot see any
Yeah.
of the heart.
Kidney fat or a lymph node.
Yeah, I was just, Dad's gonna get the dirt.
When your hands are dirty, they're full of chicken. It's time to drink without.
You can.
I can't.
This guy looks a little sad because he's missing an arm. Oh, I forgot some feathers.
Mom, put it in.
There's something funny after I stop it. I was trying to say that chickens have been cold plunging since before it was cool. L.
Yeah, they kill up to empty the sticks freezer once you get them bagged and set them in the
No, hold it. Lean it down.
You gonna bring that one?
Jack's probably coming.
Come on, Jack! Come on, get the other bird. Dad needs one.
Oh, what a win. I can bring this one down.
So these are the lungs? Cleanup time.
A large cone. So the extra large cone might be nice.
For the extra large birds.
No, just the line the head up. I mean, this was fine, but you had to stick your hand up in there on a couple of them.
Oh.
They must have tossed it to the side when they were going down.
Clean up pretty easy.
Yeah. Yeah, that cleaned up real easy.
And left us because
I'm pointing to my
Joey went to go rake hay. And then my dad had to go get Joe because apparently he didn't want to ride any longer. So we are bagging now. We've done 2. We didn't mess up too bad. I think we did okay. So we'll show you this process. The birds had a nice long ice bath. So we're drying them off. We don't want them to be cold, you know?
Yeah.
All right, so we're gonna dry this guy off, inside and out. You're rolling. Oh yeah. What?
the inside.
That is a bleach towel. Here's my little one. But we don't need up and close and personal, but thank you.
Thank you. What's the beach show? Oh,
Bleach.
oh, bleach.
All right. The bird is dry.
Feet first, or not feet first.
Feet up.
Feet up.
A little bit. Neck down, I guess is the easier way to say it. Like a glove.
Hey, hold this.
Well, you can zip back in just a minute. We have to get the straw in.
Oh yeah. Twist.
Okay, zip back.
All right, now we've been weighing them, which we keep saying we're gonna weigh before we ziplock, but we don't.
We'll take the tubing out.
Nope, we gotta put it in the water first. Alrighty, ooh, our smallest bird yet. 5 pounds, 2 ounces. Then we'll take our handy dandy glove. Ooh, that's a cool camper. It's like an Airstream. All right, thank you, ma'am. Go back to filming. All right, change your hands. All right, so this water is about 200 degrees. Super hot, although it went off. Hold on. Let me turn that off for a sec. Okay, so hopefully it's still 200 degrees. Gonna plop her in there. You can hear all the air coming out of it. Take it back over here.
I'll put the sticker on. Here you go.
Oh, hold on, we gotta. Okay.
Take the tube out now.
We would use the pliers, but the men took them because.
So we have to twist that, get that zip tied nice and tight.
I don't want to brag, but I've been working out. Can you see those muscles?
There, yep. Woohoo!
All right, then, hold on, we're gonna dry it real quick.
Oh.
And then our expert sticker. maker, labeler.
Good job.
And then we'll place into the cooler. Just a gently place into. Well, let's get the concrete. 17 birds. We only really messed up one. Pretty successful. This is the very first chicken that we processed. There was some learning points. So we're gonna make it for dinner tonight because it got a little too extra scalded. So most of the skin came off. Some of it was a little pre-cooked, but it appears to taste fine. Also one of our biggest chickens, 5 pounds, 10 ounces. I think the biggest was, that might actually be the biggest one. I don't remember. There was one other that was above 5 pounds. The smallest was 3 pounds something, but beer can chicky on featuring Bush Light Peach. Will it taste good? I don't know. Are you lactating?
No, I might have sprayed myself with the hose.
Yeah, that's beer.
Bring out the string.
Now, did you bring out the string?
I went and got the chicken, and I made this.
You made that?
Yeah. I had to cut the hook off so that it'll fit.
Wow, I am shedding. It's everywhere.
The house is too far away.
We bought good quality bags, actually. That's what it boils down to.
I figured I shouldn't use my barn knife. Huh?
It'll cook off. It's a big bird. Where's the beer gonna go? Oh.
Might not even need that.
Oh!
A little support.
It's the... Oh, there we go. Who needs fancy contraptions when you can make your own? I promise the rest of the chickens don't look this ugly, you guys. Live and learn.
18 seconds. Happy as well. 30 seconds? Far too much.
Well, and I think the water was too hot. Remember, it like was a little too hot at the beginning.
Temperature really didn't seem to matter much. A little bit.
What do you think, Jack? You have chicken for dinner? Good talk. Bush. Don't really have any chicken rubs because we don't eat a lot of chicken. Or we haven't, besides like chicken tenders and chicken nuggets for the kids. So if you have a favorite chicken rub, let us know. Maybe just like put in your hand and pat it. Seasoning with Livia's because it's the only seasoning I use. What was that?
Everybody preps their food on a 55-gallon drum, right?
Only the best for us. You ready?
Or
Put it on. Ah! Perfect. See you soon. Seems weird to not have anything in there anymore. All right, so our setup is pretty much taken down. It's like later in the day. I'm showered, everything's fine and dandy. Drinking an energy drink because I was gonna go grocery shopping, and then we decided I would wait till tomorrow. So, I mean, YOLO at this point. We still have some cleaning up to do, so I thought I would do a little rundown of the products that we used, kind of how things went, and yeah, tell you where we got everything from. Oh my gosh, so windy. Can you hear me? I don't even know where I can go to be out of the wind. There's a fan there. Oh, but okay, I'm hiding now. So I thought I'd just run down the products that we used. I'll put everything, all the links that I can find in our description below, and yeah, live and learn. A few things we're gonna change for next time, like just setup wise and stuff like that, but for the most part, things went very well. It was not as like hard as I thought it was gonna be. It was definitely a learning curve, but not as hard. All right, so we'll start with killing cones. These are from YardBird. We got our plucker from YardBird. I realized they were a Wisconsin-based company, and so I bought as much YardBird products as I could, just because we love to support local like that. So these are size mediums. I also did get a large one on Amazon. We didn't use it, but Joey did say that there was a couple birds that we probably could have utilized it. So in the future, we might get a longer board and put like the big one up just in case we would need it. So after the birds got killed and bled out for a few minutes, they came over into this to get scalded. I don't really know anything about this. We've had it for a while. Joey's used this to boil like skulls out. And then we bought these new ones actually last year or the year before to make sweet corn. So it worked out perfect. When we were scalding it, we got it to about 150 degrees, scalding the chickens. And then when it came time to seal the bags up or like shrink the bags, we cleaned it out and got it up to 200 degrees for that process. So after they got scalded, they went into the plucker. The plucker was actually the first thing that we bought when we knew we were going to do meat birds. And then that's where we kind of saw the YardBird name, super prevalent name. And their products have been fantastic so far. So this is a chicken plucker we got. We got it at Tyson's. They've got the same one on Amazon, so I'll link that one. I think Farm and Fleet has a very similar one as well. And yeah, it worked awesome. It has like a hose across the top that water went into to help kind of keep those feathers going down to the bottom. And then we also utilized a hose just to make sure everything was getting clean. But we did find it worked best if we had two birds in at the same time. So yeah, that's what we did. The other stuff I've kind of put away already. Some other things that were very much needed were good coolers. We have a lot of igloo coolers. When we started selling beef at the markets, we knew that we needed a good cooler. We're not on a Yeti budget, so we decided to splurge and go with the igloo coolers. They've been fantastic for us. We've got, these are the ones that we used. Well, okay, they were cleaner ones, but these are the ones we used. Put two big bags of ice in it. The one I made a water bath, and then the other one we used to just kind of keep the chickens cold until we were ready to put them in bags and get them in the freezer. Okay, another thing that was really nice to have was these YardBird gloves. I don't even know what they're actually called, but like they don't burn your hands when you put them in water. They keep your hands safe. Whatever those may be. I got these on Amazon, but again, you can get them from the YardBird website. Shrink bags. These worked really good. They had good reviews on Amazon, so these were the ones that we got. Texas Poultry shrink bags. Made in the USA. We love that. I loved it because it came with like literally everything you needed. It came with cute labels. It came with the little doohickey to stick in to get all the air out. And it came with zip ties. So really like those. Just having rubber gloves around was good. And then the knives. We invested in some knives. I think they were only like $12. We got two of them. They worked awesome. I'm trying to think of what the Mercer is the brand, perhaps. Like I said, I'll link everything down below. They worked really well. just with everything that we needed. And then I also had a lung remover. Oh, here it is. This is also YardBird. You could probably do without it, but it was also really nice to have to get the lungs out. Sometimes like I could get it with my finger, but anytime that it like started to break or like there was just a lot of stuff in the chicken that I couldn't get out, this was really nice. It's just kind of like a little scraper tool. Honestly, that might be about it. Good tables. We have some tables from processing deer and beef and everything else that we've done, and then I had another table for my farmer's market, so we just use that. A lot of bleach, not a lot of bleach, but bleach just to make sure everything stayed clean and stuff like that. Yeah, I think that's about all we used. Like I said, overall, it went really well. It took us probably about an hour to set everything up, and that was just kind of putzing around. We weren't really like rushing. We started processing about 9 o'clock, and we were done about 1:30, but that was also with us like taking a break to eat, and Joey left to go rake hay, and like, so it was piddly. I think we processed all the chickens in about 2 hours, and then took a little break, and then we got all the birds in bags and stuff like that. So yeah, then we had to find freezer space for all the birds because we just got back 3 pigs and a beef, so our freezers are like full. But we'll check on them and see how they're doing. Here they are. So I had to just finagle a lot of stuff around, but we wanted these to freeze as fast as possible. We didn't want them touching each other, you know, like obviously, so that they'd get stuck to each other, and you know, they should freeze pretty good. Those coolers really cooled them down nice. We did probably at least a half-hour ice bath on all the birds. The ones that were in there from the beginning, you know, obviously those got like over an hour, so I think that was really helpful. But yeah, I think this was our smallest one, 3 pounds 12 ounces, and then a couple bigger ones, 5 pounds 13 ounces. That's the biggest one. But yeah, we were hoping for around 4 to 5 pounds, so I think we did pretty good. They were about 8 weeks when we processed. Overall, it wasn't a hard process to learn. Like I said in the beginning, we watched a lot of YouTube videos of other people doing it, and the YardBird website like gave you a little rundown of everything that you needed to do, so that was really helpful. I referenced that back a lot today just to make sure that we were like not forgetting anything. Obviously, let's go. You got chocolate milk, man? Obviously with like selling the birds to people, that there's the high standard that you want to be held to, so it was really nice to have all the resources available so that we could do this. So I think that's it. We'll check back in a little bit once our bird is off the smoker, and we'll see how good it tastes. You wanna go outside?
Yeah.
Oh, I got one thing. A scale. We obviously weighed them all. I bought this, I don't even know where I got it, a long time ago. Okay. I got it a long time ago to weigh. I got it a long time ago to weigh different cuts of beef and stuff. So we bleached that up nice and good and used that, and it was perfect. Okay.